I'm Dr. Andreas. If you're over 40 and you feel your strength slipping, your energy fading, your waist thickening, your confidence thinning, that's not aging. That is conditioning. Conditioning to settle, conditioning to shrink, conditioning to believe that decline is the new normal for men our age. Now, it is true, aging is inevitable, but how you age is a choice. And the choice you make depends on the system you choose to follow. Modern medicine or allopathic care is incredible at what it was designed for. Many of my closest friends are surgeons, oncologists, and ER physicians. They save lives, they perform miracles in crisis, but modern medicine was built for downstream, defensive care, stabilizing you once the damage is already done. Now, it will manage symptoms and it will manage decline, and it may even keep you alive, but it will not address root causes, much less make you powerful. See, what we do here is entirely different. As a licensed chiropractic physician and functional nutrition expert and a supplement formulator, I'm not here to diagnose your condition or treat your disease. That is your physician's role. My role is to work upstream, to strengthen the systems that determine how you age, how you feel, how you move, how you think, and more importantly, how you perform in life. Now, allopathic medicine is defensive. Functional medicine or peak performance, what we practice, is an offensive approach. One reacts, one builds. One waits for problems, well, one prevents them. One manages decline, and one unlocks potential. See, men don't need more pills, creams, or injections as a first line approach. In fact, we are the most medicated nation on the planet, yet every chronic disease continues to skyrocket. At what point do we acknowledge the system is no longer working? Men need a plan, a blueprint to rebuild their biology, and that's exactly what our peak performance protocol delivers. It merges the best of functional medicine, biohacking, performance nutrition, strength training, conditioning, longevity science, and advanced blood chemistry combined with nutrigenomics and genetic testing, all integrated into one personalized operating system based on your labs, your DNA, and your physiology. We analyze comprehensive blood chemistry and hormonal rhythms and conversion, inflammation and oxidative stress, and mitochondrial function, nutrient status, and over 130 plus genetic SNPs revealing how you respond to food, stress, recovery, muscle building, fat loss, hormones, and more. Then we get to work. We rebuild your foundation, the pillars of peak male performance: cellular energy, redox balance, methylation efficiency, cellular transport, metabolic optimization, physical expression through strength and conditioning, all detailed below. This is not just a fitness program. This is functional nutrition, fitness medicine. The peak performance protocol is a proven integration of both because no man becomes unstoppable from a single modality. And I don't do this alone. See, I partnered with a board certified medical physician, a colleague, and a client of our peak performance protocol. He went through our system himself. He felt the transformation. He reviewed the labs, our methodology, and the outcomes we recommended. And he told me, you guys are doing it right. Now that matters because when men strengthen their upstream systems, when they elevate their VO2 max conditioning, build functional muscle, support mitochondrial health, and align their lifestyle with their biology and the life they want to live, many men find under their doctor's supervision that the medications they once relied on or are facing often become far less necessary, if even necessary at all. Not because we take anything away, not because we treat anything, but because the body finally works the way it was designed to. I've seen it thousands of times throughout my 33-year career, and I've lived it myself. See, I wasn't always a 3-time Ironman triathlete, a natural masters men's physique competitor, but an average man who lost his way, a man who rebuilt himself from exhaustion, inflammation, low T, and autoimmune condition without TRT, without pharmaceuticals, without shortcuts. And today at 55, as of 2025, I'm in the best shape of my life, strong, lean, focused, with functional strength and cardiovascular health that challenge guys half my age. My labs are optimal, and my biological age is decades younger than my chronological age. And my favorite part, my medicine cabinet is empty. Not because I'm special, but because I chose responsibility, and that's the decision most men never make. See, your strength, your energy, your health, your second half, all your responsibility. And when you take that responsibility, you stop being a victim of your circumstances and you become a warrior for your own health. And warriors don't just transform themselves, they transform everything around them. You begin commanding massive respect and attention and admiration from the fitness room to the boardroom to the bedroom and everywhere in between. Your wife sees the man she's been quietly rooting for to see again. Your children gain the father they admire. And your family gains a leader they're proud of beyond your outward success that society rewards you for. Your future grandchildren gain a grandfather who is present, capable, and alive. This is legacy, your legacy, the one you build through action, not intention, the one you can't outsource or delegate to someone else, the legacy you must reach out and claim for yourself. And if we're being honest, before it's too late. This is your life, and life is no dress rehearsal. Every day you hesitate is a day you lose permanently. So look in the mirror and ask yourself, where will I be in 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, if I'm lucky, if nothing changes? Will you still be strong, capable, independent, connected to the life you want, or will you be watching it from the sidelines, wishing you had done more? The future you want begins today, not someday. And you are one decision away from rewriting everything. Now, here's the best part. You're likely closer to where you want to be than you may think. Just look at our success stories. Within months, not years, their health, their life transformed. Whatever you do, do something. Procrastination is the thief of life. The longer you wait, the longer you blow your health off, the more costly, the more painful it becomes, provided you get a second chance. Remember, it's only halftime, and regardless of the score in your life, your second half can be your most powerful yet. But first, you must choose to own it. We all love a great comeback story, so why not you? Schedule your complimentary consultation and let's rebuild the best version of you from the inside out, and let's finish strong together.